This is a tutorial on how to use torrents. The idea behind the torrent system is that one person creates a torrent file that contains the tracker and the location of certain files they want to be uploaded. And what the user does is they go and they download the torrent file and they open it using a torrent client such as uTorrent, BitComet, or Azurius. And what this file contains is information about the tracker for the certain files that they're looking for. And what the user does is open this torrent with one of their clients, and then they connect to the tracker that tells them the location of all the peers and seeds sharing the file, and then they start sharing pieces of the file with each other, the different peers and peers between each other, and the peers also getting certain pieces from seeders. And what you want to do if you want to use torrents is first you open up your web browser, and first we're going to get a torrent client, and we do that by going to Google. And the simplest torrent client is uTorrent, which is a standalone application that requires no install. And we're going to go to Google and search uTorrent, and the first result is uTorrent.com, and we're going to go to that. We're going to go to download, and we're going to download uTorrent. Very small download, only 214 kilobytes. We're going to save it, and it's already finished. Now you're going to go to where you saved the file. You're going to open uTorrent, and you can install a start menu shortcut if you wish, a desktop shortcut, or a quick launch shortcut. I don't want to install any of those, so I'm going to deselect all of those. And even if you can say no, you don't want to install, and the program is still open, it's just minimized to your system tray. So I'm going to go to the tray, I'm going to show uTorrent, and there's the basic uTorrent interface. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to your options and make sure your preferences are set up correctly. Now we're going to go to your connection and make sure your maximum upload and download rates are unlimited, because the torrent system is based on however much you upload, you're going to download about that much. That's why when you start torrents at first, your upload speed isn't very much because you haven't uploaded much. Your download speed isn't very much because you haven't uploaded much. Now the way it works is your download speed is going to slowly increase and peak, and then it's going to slowly dip back off as you reach towards the end of the download. And as you can see, the default settings are set to no limit on the download speed or upload speed. You can also set up where you want your downloads to go and all of that, and other settings if you wish. I'm going to cancel, and now we're going to go back to your web browser. We're going to look for a torrent file, and there are many sites you can go to look, such as isohunt.com and mininova.org. I'm going to go to Mininova. And let's just pick one of the first torrents on the list. We're going to download it. And we're going to save it to disk. And now we have the torrent file saved to the desktop. You can see it right there. And now we're going to re-maximize uTorrent, and we're going to open that file. We're going to find it. And there you are. And you can just click OK if you want to start the download. And then your torrent download will start, and it will take, depending on how many seeders and peers there are, different amounts of time to finish. And then after it's finished, you can stop the torrent using stop button. And you can remove the torrent, which will remove it from your task list and stop your uploading and downloading. You can also remove it and keep the downloaded files or delete the downloaded files as well. And this has been another tutorial. You can support this tutorial by giving it a good rating or commenting on the video.